Hi, this is Sean from Hertels Coins, and today we got back our latest shipment from PCGS, so stay tuned. Today we got back our latest submission from PCGS. We've got a bunch of submissions coming back this week, so we're going to be making a bunch of videos on our submissions, and hopefully you guys will be there for it. So like always, please like and subscribe, and you will be getting notifications on those next videos. This submission here, I think, is a bunch of large cents that we sent in. 1700s all the way up to the 1800s large cents. So hopefully we get some good grades out of this, and let's take a look. All right, first up, we have a 1796 large cent. This is the Liberty cap, as you can see, variety. Very nice early copper large cent. A little bit of pitting there, but I'm surprised. It came back as a good 4. So very nice coin for an early date large cent. Next up, we have another 1797, or 1797 large cent. A little bit of cleaning, as you can see on here. I like putting these in holders, even though I know they're got some damage to them. People love early large cents in holders most of the time, especially for early dates. So this one is a VG detail, environmental damage. So this is a 1797 with the reverse of 1797. But it's got the stems on it. As you can see in the bottom, you see the stems coming out of the bow right there. So there's one with stems and one without stems, and this one's got the stems on it. Next we have is the 1798, and this one is second hairstyle variety. Multiple different hairstyles for the 1798, and this is the second one. Again, nice little early date example of a large cent from the 1700s. And this one came back as a good 4. So very nice straight grade on this one. Next, 1798. Second hairstyle. Nice little full rim coin. Same as the reverse. A lot of pitting on the back, but it's still a nice full rim with all letters in it still intact. And this one is good detail. Environmental damage. But still a very nice early example of Americana large cents. Next we have 1802. So early date 1800s. Nice full rim on this one also. Nice little detail. You can see all United States of America on this. And this one is good 4 by PCGS. Next we have 1805. Nice detail with the hair, as you can tell. Reverse. Full rim. The United States of America extends all the way out to the rims with full detail. And this one is a VG8. Very nice. Next we have 1807. A lot of detail in the hair on this one. But you can see a lot of pitting too. So you got a variety of large cents in there with a variety of grades. So like maybe it helps people with early date large cents. So help them grade by just looking at the pictures here from the video of the different details and what grade does it constitute. And this one is a VF detail, environmental damage with the large fraction. And on the back, you can see the bar that separates the 1 and the 100 is larger than normal. But, as you can see the hair, this is what constitutes a VF. And that's what PCGS is looking for. Next we have is an 1807 over 6. So this is a very neat variety because it's pretty easy to see the naked eye. But as you can see here, 1807, you see a loop right under the 7. So it's an 1807 over 6. Here's a reverse, a little bit of green pitting in it. Still a nice example of an 1807 over 6. And this one came a fine detail. Next we have 1811. Early date Coronet head cent. And this one is a good detail environmental damage. Next we have 1814 with the plain 4, meaning you look on the 4, it's a straight thing on the back of the 4. So full rims on this one. America almost extends all the way out, but not quite. But still the rim's completely intact. And this one came back as a good 4. And here's the other example of the 1814. First we had, the plain 4, and this is the crosslet 4. So let me put it up to the camera. You can see on the back of the 4, there's a little up and down crosslet on there. So instead of a straight line, you have a little filling on the back of the 4. So, full rim on this one. United States of America is almost full except for right here. And this one came back a good 6. Very nice. Next we have 1816. Nice, a lot of detail left in this. A little bit of pitting, some green you can see in the back of here. Sometimes you can get that green up, but when it's really pitted in there, it's there to stay. But this one came back as a fine, but with detail environmental damage. Next up, 1821, large cent. Very beautiful condition, nice original color on the front and the back. That's not damaged, a little bit of cut mark when they made the coin. Sometimes rims on the early large cents do overlap. But it's not damaged, just the way it was made. So this one came back as a VG10. Very nice straight grade on this large cent. Next up, 1823. Again, nice full rim, little bit detail on the face. Reverse, again, a little rim cut there. That's, that was put there when the coin was made. Not afterwards as damaged. And this one is a VG8. And another 1823. We had a few 1823s on here. This one's a little bit less worn down. The rim goes into the stars. United States of America, it's very hard to tell on here. It's almost worn off. But this one was an AG3. Another 1823. Again, rims full in the obverse. Reverse, a little bit worn down. But you can still see the United States of America on this one. And this one came back as good detail. Environmental damage. So far, so happy. I mean, large sets are very hard to get straight grades in, and they're very, very picky. So if you get half or a little bit more than half in straight grades, it's a pretty good submission. Next up, 1824. Again, full rims in the front. On the back also, you can completely make out United States of America. And this one is VG detail environmental damage. As you can see a little bit of pitting on the front. Next we have 1826. Nice original color large cent. Full rims front and reverse. Completely make out United States of America. Very nice. And this one is a VG8. Like I said before, all these coins will be on our website at hertelscoins.com. So go to our shop page and you can buy them right on our website. Next up, 1831. Little bit of hit in that rim right there. Letters are very big and bold on here. So this is the large letter variety. And this one came back fine detail environmental damage. But still a very nice coin. Lastly, another fun one. This is an 1840 large cent. A little bit of red right there. And you can look really close. Hopefully you can catch it with the camera. So a little bit of die markings here, a little double die markings here. So that is a small over large 18 in the 1840 on the date. So a little bit harder to find variety. And the nice part about this, it did straight grade as a VG8. So very nice. It's not easy to find this variety, especially in a straight grade. That's all I have for today. Like I said, we've got a bunch of videos coming out because we got tons of submissions coming back from PCGS and GC. We're just playing the waiting game. These took a little bit over 3 months to get back from grading, when usually it's 30 days for the economy. So hopefully, just always like and subscribe, turn those notifications on so you can see me on my next video. Thank you.